Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see, so you can see guys in screen, I'm getting one error that is failed to download Laravel. So while installing the Laravel, while creating the Laravel application, you can see here that is composer developer app. So I was facing this issue that is failed to download. You can see I'm getting this error. Suppose if you're getting the same error, then what you need to do, that I'll tell now. So for that guys, you need to go, you must ensure to have XAMPP in your system. Okay, so if you don't have, then just install that in your system, and then later you do just go here and search that XAMPP, and in that you need to go here. You can see guys, you need to go in config, and there is php.ini file. So here you need to search, that is extension, one line is there that you need to search. Okay, so we'll search. You can see I'm searching that now. So that is the extension file. Okay, you can see extension is equal to zip if this file is there. So just uncomment it. Okay, so colon is there, so it is commented, so you need to just uncomment, then save it, and then again you can close or you can keep that file. Even will close the XAMPP. Now what you can do, just try to create your file Laravel application. You can see now what is happening. So you can see guys, now it is installing, and our Laravel project is creating now. So it will take some time to create, but it will create guys. Okay, so like this, what you can do guys, you can solve that problem. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you. Suppose if you have any question guys, you can comment in comment box, and